Sometimes our most memorable moments happen when we least expect them. This was the case when I was in Hayle town in Cornwall. I went out on a sunny, cloudy day and it was very cold, but I did see beauty and nature in this little town. Enjoy Hayle town. The Hayle Heritage Center, just across the road, chronicles the history of Hayle over the centuries, and it's a good place to visit and know more about the town. The shop Warren's across the road does some of the tastiest pies, Cornish pasties in the world, and I highly recommend it. The restaurant on the right, called Salt, was recommended to me, and I just had to go in there and sit for a plate of chips and drink, and I ticked my bucket list. Seeing the trains cross over the viaduct was an aha moment, and I was so glad to see this in person. This is really a feat of engineering. The building on the left is a historic building. I shall have a look if I've got footage of this and show it to you. In front of us there's a shack called Feed, a pop-up restaurant, and it does the yummiest burgers in the world. Hey good people, so this is Hayle town in Cornwall, and I hope you've enjoyed our mini tour. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. This is Lesson World, where we travel the world together. Do watch the videos in the upcoming cards. Thanks for watching.